trying to turn on the engine?
What was that?
Are you trying to turn on the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta hold the clutch down.
Oh, it's man. It's always happened to me. Okay, and mechanic wise everything should be fine?
Yeah. So basically I bought a different just real quick, mine was like really messed up, and then like I tried to super glue it together for a while, and then it was working, and then it eventually broke, so I bought a new case, but I didn't know about the transponder. So when I tried to switch it out, it was stuck, and then while I was trying to pull it out, I ended up breaking the transponder. So the car opens, I just can't start it.
Let me see.
This one?
This is the new one?
Yeah, and then I switched the the fob part. Yeah, so that works. I just can't start the key.
Okay, so basically we can do also just the transponder and then program it to the car, and then you can keep this one. That will save you. Yeah, of course.
Oh,
definitely.
You could do that. Yeah, I mean that, and then also.
So you'll save the key part of it. So if we're just adding the chip and program it to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean if you could do that,
of course, definitely. And this one already cut.
Yeah,
you can open it, man.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So let's start to work on it. Okay guys, so we have this key. That's for a 2006 Scion TC. The customer lost the chip, so we're going to put a new chip and program it. So first of all, we want to make sure that we have the right chip. So we're going to read it, and 4D. I'm going to put it in.
Are you trying to turn on the engine?
What was that?
Are you trying to turn on the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta hold the clutch down.
Oh, it's man. It's always happened to me. Yeah, got it. Awesome. All right. You need to ride back or?
Oh no. I'll walk with you. Actually, yeah. I'll walk with you to make sure it opens.
Sure, no problem.